So good morning, class 7 children. Today, after completing chapter number 14, we'll be discussing the worksheet number 27 from your NCRT workbook related with this chapter number 14, that is electric current and its effect. So I want each one of you to open your books and let's continue with this part. Question number 1 is pick the most appropriate answer. Number 1, which, and you need to raise your hands only, which appliance does not use an electromagnet? Yes, Vansh Sharma. TV,
Electric.
electric
Ma'am,
bell,
electric heater.
radio, electric heater.
Electric heater.
Number 2, a fuse is fixed in a circuit in order to decrease the amount of current, increase the amount of current, increase the power consumed in the circuit, safeguard against. Yes, Nishcha Jain.
Safeguard against excessive
Okay.
current.
Excessive current. It act as a safety device. So it act as a safeguard. Number 3, which of the following will you prefer to make an electromagnet? So the options are in front of you, which you would like to make. Yes, Fiona. Steel, plastic, stainless steel, Mahi, soft iron.
Ma'am, soft iron.
Okay,
Soft
soft
iron.
iron is the best option. Number 4, what are the factors upon which the amount of heat produced in a wire depends? Material, length, thickness, and options are 1 and 2, second and third, first and second, or all of these. Yes, Fiona.
Ma'am, all of these.
So the option is D, first, second, and third. 3 things are required. Number 5, which of the following does not contain a heating element? So kindly raise your hands. Yes, Fiona or Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. Electric bell.
Okay, yesterday we read about the electric bell because it does not give the heating effect. That's why it does not have the element. Next, number 6, assertion and reason. Fuse is a safety device which prevents damage to electric circuits and possible fires. Reason, the fuse wire blows off and breaks a circuit, prevent fire and damage. So just read these two statements carefully and tell either both are true, R is the correct explanation of A, both are true, R is not the correct explanation, and rest you can see A is true, R is false, A is
Ma'am,
false,
can
R
I
is true.
say
Yes, tell.
both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A.
Okay. So this is the answer. It means what is the answer for it? The
A
A part
part.
is the option. Children, this type of questions you will find in your exams also. Whenever you will be getting the MCQs, just take care of it and read carefully. Statement 1. The heating up of a thin conducting wire on passing an electric current. It is called the heating effect of current. And second option, you have to tell. Second statement is various electric appliances that are based on heating effect of electric current is contain a coil of wire called the element. So read the statements carefully and tell. Yes, Tanvi? Statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect. 1 is correct, 2 is correct, both are correct, means tell the right option. Read the statements carefully. Anybody else kindly raise hand if you are getting the answer. Yes, Fiona, you have raised hand. Know the answer. Tanvik, you can try.
Ma'am, I think it's A part statement 1 is correct. I think it's B part statement. Both the statements are correct.
It is the C option. Both statements are correct.
Both
Because
statements.
these two of the statements are regarding the heating effect of electric current and both are correct. In first statement, it has been told that wire gets heat up when the electric current is passed through it. It's also known as a heating effect. And second is the coil of the wire is known as element. Yes, that two of the statements are correct. So should I erase? Everybody has marked the options. Everybody has marked the options.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's continue with the next part. It's B part. Complete the following statement using the most appropriate words. So let's start with the words. First is an electric bell consists of a coil of wire wound on an. Yes, tell me, beta. Tell me those who have raised hand.
Ma'am,
Ye-
iron bar.
Yes, it will be iron
Ma'am,
bar.
iron. Ma'am, iron.
Iron bar. Okay, next is the dash act as a magnet. Yes, Nishchay.
Coil of wire. Ma'am, coil of wire.
Next, an iron strip with a dash at one end. What is at the one end? Children, this is complete paragraph is in your book. Yes, Nishchay.
Yes, ma'am. With a hammer at the one end.
Okay. Next is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a dash near the iron strip. Hurry up, tell. Tell fast. Yes, Nishchay, tell.
Screw.
Screw near the iron strip when the dash is in contact with dash. Tell me what is in the contact with what? When? हाँ बोलो unmute and tell. When?
Ma'am, coil of wire and iron bar.
Yes, tell Nishchay.
When the iron strip.
Next. When the iron strip is in contact with हाँ बोलो निश्चय, tell first.
With the screw.
Screw. The current flows through the coil which behaves like an electromagnet and yes, tell. बोलो
Pulls the iron strip.
and it pulls the iron strip. It also breaks the circuit and the dash stop flowing. Start flowing. Stop flowing. Number 3. The dash come back to its original position and touches the dash again, which comes to its original position. Beta, the whole paragraph is in your book. It means your books are still, you have closed it. Open the books and find out the answer. Still your books are closed. Yes, Vedika.
The iron strip.
Yes, Vedika. The dash comes to its original position.
The iron strip.
आगे भी बताओ. Comes back to its original position and touches the dash again.
Contact screw.
contact screw again. This completes the circuit. The current flows in the coil and the dash. Strike
Hammer.
the dash again.
Hammer and gong.
Hammer and gong again. So this is a complete paragraph from your book only, children. This is a functioning of electric bell. Next, number C. Scramble the following words. So what can be the first word? Just rearrange the words. And
Battery.
next. Next, number 2 is left. So children, how much time you will take to find out the words? Unjumbled words. You need to arrange that word so that it should be in a proper order. Done, everyone?
Ma'am, first is batteries, second is torch, third is fuse, and fourth is switch.
Next, D part. Very short answer type question. Which property of a conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Which property of conducting wire is used to making electric fuse? The wire should have low melting point. Name the device used these days in place of electric fuse. Do you know that? Children don't know what we are using in place of electric fuse nowadays? It is
Miniature
MCB.
circuit breaker.
Yes, miniature circuit breaker, MCB. Which mark should we look into while purchasing the electrical device?
ISI.
ISI mark. ISI mark should be observed while purchasing electrical devices. Next, short answer type questions. Shalini does not have a night lamp in her room. She covered the bulb of her room with a towel at night to get dim light. Has she taken the right step? Kindly give the reason. Yes, think over it and tell. Has she taken the right decision? Yes or no? Raise your hand, children.
Ma'am, no.
Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, the towel may be burnt due to the heat produced by the bulb.
Yes, because you know electric bulb produces a heat as well as light. So you may write down. Write down yourself. No, she has not taken a right decision. Write yourself. Yes. Produces heat. It produces heat as well as light. And towel may burnt. Next. Why are compact fluorescent lamps preferred over electric bulbs? Why we are using CFLs nowadays? What's the reason behind it? Kindly give the answer or raise hand. Yes, Malvika, after so many days you are here in the class. What about else? Rest also can give the answer, any one of you. Why it is so?
They are prepared, ma'am, because ma'am, they work on
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am and B complete the following statements का मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है मैम उसमें स्क्रू और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट मैम मर्ज हो रहे हैं तो मैम उस डैश में स्क्रू आएगा या फिर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट
Now speak.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because they work on chemical effect and ma'am not on heating effect of electricity.
Hmm.
Ma'am, thus they do not consume more energy as electric bulbs.
Yes. You know, electric bulb work on the heating effect of electric current, and compact fluorescent lamps do not. And they consume very less energy. Write down. One line you will be writing your own, as they consume less energy. As they consume less energy. दे मालूम है ना, दे किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं? CFLs के लिए. Number 3, why is an electric fuse required in all the electrical appliances? You know?
And because it acts as a safety device, it checks the current
Flow of current. So fuse, electric fuse is required in all electrical devices. What is the reason behind it? Because it acts as a safety device. Kindly write down yourself. It acts as a safety device and checks the electric flow of electric current. Kindly write down, children. With this, your worksheet, I hope it is complete. If any one of the question is left, write down yourself. Write down the answer of question number 3.